got information that some burglary has happened here, and somebody came in this house, and unconscious person is sitting here. So we came to investigate here, and we have been called by the officer. So let's start. We start the investigating things here. You see, ma'am, you just come here. You see one evidence. Can you get the numbers? Number किनको ये धोने आपने आपको?
The first step is to secure the crime scene, and the second one is marking. Marking of number is necessary.
Yeah. And we find some paper is lying here, so we can't touch this evidence here, but we find it is something cotton fabric is lying here. You just have to see. Yes, that's this fabric here. So we put it as evidence number 1 here. So now come to the second part here. See here, this is one sharp knife. Just give me evidence number 2. We put it here, and this is our evidence number 2. So we find this one. Then we have taken photograph of each and every evidence. 6 number bana. So this is number 6 evidence.
6 glass.
What up now? Okay. So this is number 6 evidence. We find it evidence is here. So how we can start collection of evidence? We can't start collection of evidence right now. First we see what the part. Can you make it evidence number 7? So we find it here. You see, this is here. So this is here from some human being. Yes. This is evidence number 7, which is very important. This will help us out to collect the DNA from a human being and to see whether female was there, and she must have some struggles. The person here. So you can come. No problem. No. So you see here, this some hair is here. So what we have seen, we have just entered in the crime scene, and we find it's about 7 evidences here, and how we have to collect the evidences. Think of room, what is lying there.
Okay.
So we have drawn one room here. So suppose this is a room here, size of the room, okay. So direction compass dena. So you see here, when we enter the room in the middle or anywhere else, we can put the this compass here to see the north. Yeah. So this is north. This helps in finding out the direction as well as any magnetic part is lying there. So the compass will move. If not, then that will help us out later on. आजकल तो नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है, हम लोग पूरा क्राइम सीन आ जाता है CD में, उसका फैच सर्वर में चला जाता है. Then whenever we want to open that file, judiciary, and you can open the file, evidence उसमें tamper नहीं होता. So in that case, what happens here? So we have find evidences, 7 evidences here. Yeah. So how the placement of evidence is there? First of all, evidence number 1 is here. This is the one. We have put it cotton here. Okay. Cotton is lying in the form of. Here find one fabric here. So this will help us out. This is evidence number 1. how we have to collect this? This is first of all we have to see the any portion is there with any chemical is there? No. There is no any chemical. But hair is there, right? You see? So that will help you out in DNA. Find out the hair of human being and as well as the fabric. So we put this evidence itself here inside this sealing, and this is self-sealed here.
So, can you tell us what kind of plastic bag you use for a different kind of evidence?
So plastic, there is no specification for that. For like chemicals, is you can't put it over here. Only hard things you can put it there. For the chemicals, we have the containers of हमारे पास छोटे containers, बड़े containers. It depends on that values. But like this here, we put it the cotton here. Same story right over here. Agency this and that all things comes over here. Because if we don't send this over here, and the level of FSL will never work on this one here. We have more details right over. Then we give these stickers extras. Stuck over here. So we put the stickers in behind also. Same thing is there. Evidence and chain of custody is there. So just now not to disturb the things here, because FSL का जो इसको एविडेंस बैग को खोलने के सिस्टम होता है उनके पास में. दे जस्ट कट नॉट कट लाइक दैट ओनली. दे जस्ट सी उसके पहले उसको स्टरलाइज करते हैं ताकि अंदर में कुछ रिजेंट्स जो फॉरेन मैटर ना आ गया बाहर में आने से ऑन दी वे. उसके बाद में उसको सीलिंग को खोलते हैं वो लोग. देन ओपन द सीलिंग, इट्स रिकॉर्डेड नाउअडेज. इस तरह से माइंस आपने उसको खोल दिया और रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो रही. दे कीप ऑन रिकॉर्डिंग. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग देम आल्सो सम डिजिटल माइक्रोस्कोप्स टू देम नाउअडेज to how they open and what has come out inside there. Digital is very important nowadays. Judiciary digital मांगते हैं सारी. Even आप लोग फिंगरप्रिंट का भी आप जो एनालिसिस जब करते हैं तो उसमें जो नीचे रिपोर्टिंग आती है, if you are there then I can show you, because दिल्ली पुलिस में फिंगरप्रिंट का जो डिजिटल हमारे डोजियर लगा हुआ है तो उसमें टाइमिंग भी आता है. What time we have to put it here and put in this in the evidence bag.
So gloves पहन के भी नहीं बच कर सकते.
Yeah, we should have gloves, but I'm telling you the next step is that only we have to use every time this kind of product here, not that metal one, not in the hand.
Scratch or damage.
This could be something. Some chemical is lying here जो उसको अपने चैम्बर में डालेंगे एनालिसिस के लिए, वो अपने कलर शो कर देता है. जैसे आयोडीन फ्यूमिंग किट होती है. आयोडीन में we put it iodine in the chamber and hang this product there. पेपर हो कुछ हो वो अपना शो कर देता है. हम लोग एग्जामिनेशन ले जाते हैं जैसे, या कुछ किसी ने ऑर्डर किया, हम लोग पेपर को किया हाथ का हम ये पहन किया. आपके सामने मैंने करा है. I'll collect my fingerprint from here. Lift the magnet here and put it evidence in the sealing box. This plays an important role.
It is for a metal one.
हाँ, आयरन कोई टच करता है बेसिकली.
अगर सर इससे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स को तो इससे नहीं उठाते नहीं.
नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक के लिए we have got different bags. So we can't. We only for fingerprint we just put it over.
Because magnet को उनको.
हाँ.
इसको डिग्री ज्यादा क्लियर आ रहा है ना. काले वाले दिखते भी नहीं.
यहाँ से काट दो. You have to take the air bubble out. That's the main part. Quality of the tape depends upon the if you can take the fingerprint air bubble out.
Can we use a normal sellotape?
No.
No.
Sir, so normal
Special kind of tape.
it is a special kind of tape because ये उसमें एयर बबल होते हैं सर. इसकी thickness कुछ
और ये
माइक्रो.
एडेसिव भी तो ज्यादा होती होगी
किसमें?
ये.
हाँ, that's what. You see here, now put it here.
उससे वाया
You put it in, we are putting black.
applications.
One by one, everyone participate in this. ठीक है ना?
So this is not taking fingerprint, no, it's a negative positive here. Okay? ऐसी रीव लगी चल रहा है, ठीक है? Now I taken negative. This is black and white. It becomes something yellowish. Depend upon this surface, huh?
डिफरेंट लाइट्स.
This is, you see here, the fingerprint we have collected.
Different lights, ये shades देखो.
Yeah. और इधर सेव कर लिया मैंने इसको. See some points has come over here, ना? This is because हमने उठाने के बाद में
तो बेसिकली पाउडर लगाने से पहले कर लिया जाता है.
नहीं, ये पाउडर अगर पाउडर से लगाने से पहले आए तो ठीक है, आएगा नहीं, आएगा पाउडर लगाने के बाद ही आएगा. इसी डिपेंड्स ऑन द सरफेस ना, सरफेस का कोई और कलर का होगा. दिस वी गेट टेकन ब्लू सरफेस है. और इसे ऑपोजिट येलो ब्लू और ब्लू येलो. don't have things here, so time short था ना, ये हमने उसको बैरिकेड कर दिया. फुटप्रिंट को देन बैरिकेड करने के बाद में देयर इज वन स्प्रे, एक सॉलिड स्प्रे आता है, जैसे जो जमीन पड़ी है उसके ऊपर तुमको होल्ड कर लेगा मिट्टी को. देन वी पुट दिस पीओपी कास्टिंग पाउडर हियर. कास्टिंग पाउडर को लिख भी देना सूरज. कास्टिंग पाउडर कैसे बनता है, उसके भी एक बॉल में कास्टिंग डाला और उसके बाद हमने इसको स्टर कर दिया. नहीं सर, देन उसके बाद में एक जाली लगाते हैं हम लोग. ये जाली जो घर वाली जाली होती है, क्योंकि जब सूख जाएगा तो इसको उठाएंगे कैसे हम लोग. तो जब ये सूख जाएगा तो हम इसको निकाल लेंगे. जाली पड़ी होगी, जाली से इसको पलटी कर देंगे तो फुटप्रिंट ऊपर आ जाएगा, पूरे टायर पूरा ऊपर आ जाएगा. देन उसके ऊपर स्प्रे करके उसका फोटोग्राफ ले लेंगे. पहले भी फोटोग्राफ लेंगे इसका हम लोग, स्टार्टिंग में लेंगे, वो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा ना. तो उसका पहले फोटोग्राफ ले लिया हमने, फिर उसको हमने डिजिटल में चला गया. उसके बाद हमने फिजिकल उठाया. सबसे पहले फोटोग्राफ जरूर लेना उसका, बिकॉज टायर शोज द कंपनी एज वेल टायर शोज द विच कार वाज देयर एंड शूज ऑल्सो. Put the thumb here, put the thumb here. Right, paper dena, because in that case you can take 180 degree maximum degree temperature. The finger spoon here, na. That's why we call this pen, the spoon here. And this is called for the fingerprint to be taken for dead body. Dead body का जो है ना movement नहीं होगा ना finger का, तो one can fetch the dead body finger from hand from here and take the fingerprint. Or either put the fingerprints here, like this here. And put the paper here, you can take some of the fingerprints here. Or opposite you can do that also here. You can hold fingers here. Dead body पे कुछ जान तो होती नहीं है, वैसे स्प्रेड हो जाते हैं. और जब पैटर्न की वजह से इसलिए यूज करते हैं कि हाँ, अगर नहीं भी होते, दिस स्पून हैज बीन डेवलप्ड फॉर दैट ओनली. अभी रिसेंटली क्या हुआ, तो डेड बॉडी के अंदर कुछ खाई उन्होंने तो उंगली काट के ले जाते हैं उनको.
रिगर मॉडल्स की वजह से तो बॉडी
अकड़ जाती है, जब भी तो यूज करते हैं.
हाँ, this is that's why we use this spoon here, no? You see here, this is what fingerprints we are taking. That suppose we are taking the left one here, so we have to make it opposite. First of all, make it half here, put it here, with the roller or inkless pad we made the finger, put it here. That is right middle, then is right ring like that, then later one here. So that is inkless pad. Instead of that, the roller one we are using inkless pad. We don't print right now here. Actually, किसी कोई कल्लू सावन की wife का jewelry happens anywhere else. It is same product we are using numbers here, and we are wearing gloves in that case. And this is biohazard bag. So in that case, anything happens with the blast is there or something non-protective items had been thrown, we can preserve in that case. This is written there because जब भी हम biohazard bag में कुछ आइटम डालते हैं, जैसे हम लोग कुछ लिखते हैं वो डिब्बा डालते हैं इसमें ग्लास लिखते हैं, बाद में ग्लास है इसके बीच में, तो कीपिंग होता है. This is the same part is here. We have to use for the analysis part that biohazard bag. Biohazard bag things, this is the sign of the biohazard bag you must have gone seen somewhere else. This is the basically sign, the international sign is here. So it means that biohazard bag, something electronic item that can be blasted, is lying in this part here. Okay, they have got defined different sizes in this one, but we are using as a garbage bag nowadays here. So this is of Becky only, just we have to put it the back just to marking on that part. So now this is the same with that evidence collection. So this is kit is for collection of evidence in sexual assault, and this could be only kit for the collection of evidence in certain areas. Now this is tweezer we are using. This is two kind of tweezers are there. One is this one and one is with the marking of this rubber here.